Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a number list Microsoft Word table. So let's start it. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, create a table in going to the insert menu option. Now click for the table option. Then choose create a table. Then show the table is this table is number list created. The firstly select your row option and going to the home menu option and click for the numbering icon option. Now select your columns option and click for the going to the home menu option, click for the numbering icon option, click for the numbering option. Then again select your table and going to the home menu option and click for the numbering icon option and click for the numbering icon option. It's okay. Then you show the create number list in Microsoft Word table. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.